Hi, my name is Ghansham. I'm your Spanish teacher. You're welcome to my Spanish course, Super Fast Spanish course for quick learners. Today we are going to learn lesson 7. I hope you have already covered lesson 6. First to lesson 6. If you did not watch the lesson first to 6, then I recommend you first go and watch the lesson 1 to lesson 6. Then watch the lesson 7. It will help you to understand because the course is designed in a such a way every lesson is depend on the other lesson. So let's start today lesson 7. So the first word of today's lesson is what. In this whole session we will learn different kind of the questions which start from the what. So what we say in Spanish what? We say K. K means what? K means what? So repeat once K. 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 Okay. So what is called K? What is called K in Spanish? So how will you say what do you have? What do you have? You will say ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? Repeat once. ¿Qué tienes? So what do you have? You will say ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? Okay. Now next sentence is what were you saying? So how will you make this sentence in Spanish? What were you saying? ¿Qué decías? ¿Qué decías? ¿Qué decías? What were you saying? ¿Qué decías? ¿Qué decías? Repeat once. ¿Qué decías? ¿Qué decías? What does he want? How will you make this sentence? What does he want? Yes, you will make this sentence. ¿Qué es lo que quiero? ¿Qué es lo que quiere? ¿Qué es lo que quiere? Repeat once. ¿Qué es lo que quiere? So, what does he want? You will say, ¿Qué es lo que quiere? ¿Qué es lo que quiere? How will you say, what was the weather like? How will you say, what was the weather like? Yes, you will say, ¿Qué tiempo hacía? ¿Qué tiempo hacía? ¿Qué tiempo hacía? What was the weather like? What was the weather like? You will say, ¿Qué tiempo hacía? ¿Qué tiempo hacía? Thanks, that's good. Thanks, that's good. How will you make this in Spanish? You will make gracias, qué bueno. Gracias, qué bueno. Gracias, qué bueno. Thanks, that's good. Gracias, qué bueno. Gracias, qué bueno. How will you say you take in Spanish? You take. You will say toma, toma. Repeat once. Toma. You take toma, toma. So how will you make the sentence? What medicine do you take? What medicine do you take? You will say ¿Qué medicina toma? ¿Qué medicina toma? Repeat once. ¿Qué medicina? ¿Qué medicina? ¿Qué medicina toma? ¿Qué medicina toma? So, what medicine do you take? You will say, ¿Qué medicina toma? ¿Qué medicina toma? Next word is it mean. It mean. How will you say it mean in Spanish? You will say significa. Significa. Repeat once. Significa. So it means is called significa in Spanish. Significa. So how will you make the sentence? What does it mean? What does it mean? Think. Yes, you will make the sentence. ¿Qué significa? ¿Qué significa? Repeat once. ¿Qué significa? Next sentence is what does it mean? ¿Qué significa? ¿Qué significa? You want. You want. You will say deseas. Deseas. Deseas means also you want. So deseas. You want. Deseas. Deseas. Now, how will you make the sentence? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Think about it. Yes, you will make ¿Qué deseas comer? ¿Qué deseas comer? ¿Qué deseas comer? What would you like to eat? ¿Qué deseas comer? ¿Qué deseas comer? Now, next word is hour. Hour is called hora. Hora means hour in Spanish. So, hora is hour is hora. Hora. He arrived. He arrived. How will you say he arrived in Spanish? Llega. 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 He arrived. Llega. Repeat once. Llega. Llega. So how will you make the sentence? What time does he arrive? What time does he arrive? Think. Yes. You will make a qué hora llega. ¿A qué hora llega? ¿A qué hora llega? What time does he arrive? ¿A qué hora llega? ¿A qué hora llega? Next sentence is you come. How will you say you come in Spanish? You will say vienes, 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 vienes. You come. It means vienes. You come. Vienes. So, how will you make the sentence? What time do you come? What time do you come? Think about it. Yes, you will make ¿A qué hora vienes? ¿A qué hora vienes? ¿A qué hora vienes? What time do you come? ¿A qué hora vienes? ¿A qué hora vienes? Next word is smell. Smell. How will you say smell in Spanish? Huele. 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 Smell is huele. H is silent. So, huele. What is the smell? How will you make this sentence? What is the smell? ¿A qué huele? ¿A qué huele? What is the smell? ¿A qué huele? ¿A qué huele? The next word is what time is it? What time is it? How will you make this sentence? You will say, yes, you will say, ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? Next word is, what is this? How will you make this sentence? Yes, you will say, ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? So, what is this? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto? Next word is, what color? What color? How will you say in Spanish, what color? You will say, ¿de qué color? ¿De qué color? ¿De qué color? What color? ¿De qué color? ¿De qué color? So next word is what do you need? How will you make this sentence? What do you need? Think about it. Yes, you will make this sentence. ¿Qué necesita? ¿Qué necesita? ¿Qué necesita? So, what do you need? You will say, ¿qué necesita? ¿Qué necesita? Next word is, what is the problem? What is the problem? This sentence we have covered in the previous lesson, but here we will learn something new. How we can say what is the problem in the different manner. We can say ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? It means what is the problem? What is the problem? ¿Qué pasa? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? How will you say? Yes, you will say buenas, ¿qué le pasa? Buenas, ¿qué le pasa? Buenas, ¿qué le pasa? Hi, how are you? Buenas, ¿qué le pasa? Buenas, ¿qué le pasa? Next word is yes, sir. At what time? How will you make this sentence? You will make yes, you will make sí, señor, ¿a qué hora? Sí, señor, ¿a qué hora? Repeat once. Sí, señor, ¿a qué hora? Yes, sir. At what time? Sí, señor, ¿a qué hora? Sí, señor, ¿a qué hora? It was so nice. How will you say? You will say, qué bonito fue. Qué bonito fue. Qué bonito fue. It was so nice. Qué bonito fue. Qué bonito fue. Next word is what day is it? What day is it? How will you make this sentence? Yes, you will make ¿qué día es? ¿Qué día es? ¿Qué día es? What day is it? ¿Qué día es? ¿Qué día es? You're looking for. You looking for. How will you say you're looking for in Spanish? You will say busca. Busca means you're looking for. Busca. You're looking for means busca. Busca. What are you looking for? How will you make this sentence? What are you looking for? You will say ¿qué busca? ¿Qué busca? Repeat once. ¿Qué busca? What are you looking for? ¿Qué busca? ¿Qué busca? So, you like. Next word is you like. We called you like in Spanish gusta. Gusta means you like. Repeat once. Gusta. Okay. So, you like is gusta. Gusta. What don't you like? How will you make this sentence? What don't you like? Yes, you will make que no le gusta. Que no le gusta. Que no le gusta. What don't you like? Que no le gusta. Que no le gusta. What are you doing? How will you say what are you doing? You will say ¿qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo? What is going on here? What is going on here? How will you make this sentence? Yes, you will make ¿qué pasa aquí? ¿Qué pasa aquí? ¿Qué pasa aquí? What is going on here? ¿Qué pasa aquí? ¿Qué pasa aquí? Next word is what is it? What is it? You will say KS, KS, KS. So what is it is KS, KS. Next sentence is what color do you want? What color do you want? How will you make this sentence in Spanish? Think about it. Yes, you will make ¿Qué color quiere? ¿Qué color quiere? What color do you want? ¿Qué color quiere? ¿Qué color quiere? For what? For what? For what is a qué? A qué? A qué? For what means a qué? A qué? Next sentence is what is important? What is important? How will you make in Spanish? Yes, you will make ¿Qué es importante? ¿Qué es importante? Repeat once. ¿Qué es importante? So, what is important? ¿Qué es importante? ¿Qué es importante? Next sentence is what do you have? What do you have? You will make ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? What do you have? ¿Qué tienes? ¿Qué tienes? Thank you. This is the end of lesson 7. I hope you enjoy this lesson 7. But if you did not watch the previous lesson, first to 6, then my recommendation is before watching lesson 7, watch the previous lesson. So it will help you to understand this lesson 7. And if you want to learn the grammar, then watch my different course which is totally cover the complete grammar, which is very important if you want to learn Spanish with the grammar. So thank you for watching this my Spanish course. Thank you once again. Gracias. Adios.